Hi, I'm Brandy Wilkins and I'm on the product development team here at US Foods. So let's talk about Non-GMO Project Verified. The Non-GMO Project is a nonprofit organization whose mission it is to build up the lineup of non-GMO items, educate consumers, and provide verified non-GMO items. The goal of the standard is to assist farmers, processors, and manufacturers in avoiding GMO contamination by providing a definition, testing of high-risk GMO items, and building best practices throughout the supply chain. When you see the Non-GMO Project Verified seal, you know the product is one, that is tested using meaningful ongoing testing of high-risk GMO ingredients. Two, there's improved traceability by tracking ingredients through the supply chain. And number three, ensure that non-compliant ingredients do not mix with compliant ingredients. The Project Verified program aims to increase the consumer access to non-GMO foods. People have the right to know what is in their food and to have non-GMO choices available.